Hey there, how was doing? This is Kali from Techfanciers. In this video, we will be seeing that how to install TWRP on Android by Zenui beta at ASUS Zenfone Lite L1. This build doesn't require any decryption at all, and the procedures are same like earlier. First, download the TWRP img from the link in the description and copy that file both in your laptop and the mobile phone. Here I am having that in my external storage. After that, extract the ADB fastboot tool and run the command here. Currently I am on official Zenui Pi beta. If you don't know how to update your device, then watch the video which appears in the I button right now. Shut down your device and connect to your PC in fastboot mode. Shut down your device and connect it to your PC in fastboot mode by holding volume up and power key. Once it is connected, just type fastboot boot and drag the TWRP file to command prompt and enter. Now your device will boot to TWRP recovery. Now go to install and select the install img option. Then select the TWRP file and flash it in recovery partition. That's all. Now again reboot to recovery so that it will get stored to your device. Now I am booting to system. So that's what about this video. We will see Android 10 installation guide in our next video. So thank you for watching. Quote motto.